what sort of reporting comes out of the box, is native within the NetSuite environment? And then how can somebody build and scale the native reporting to really build it into something that they need?
Yeah, I think the main two user interface reporting options that everybody thinks about with your standard out-of-the-box NetSuite are going to be the reports feature in NetSuite, which are some fairly standard collapsible and expandable reports across a variety of quote unquote departments or your different lines of business. Those generally primarily exist to give insights that can be looked at from a quick top level view or broken out to a more detailed view.
What's an example of like the data that somebody could surface in a report like that or access in a report like that? Are we talking product information? Are we talking orders, invoices, more on the accounting side? What type of data can be broken down in one of those reports?
It spans really wide. You can really get everything from sales data, seeing that at the order level, and then being able to expand it out to like what individual items were on those orders, along with your AP or AR aging. NetSuite has some nice native reporting functionality around those things. And, nobody wants to be behind on their bills or be waiting longer than they have to get paid for products or services rendered. So the AP and AR functionality around reporting is a really, really useful tool. There are definitely additional reports that come natively. There's a whole slew of them, I would say in the probably 40 plus ballpark, that just already exist when you load up NetSuite. But beyond that, you are able to customize these reports. So you can really take any of those 40 plus native reports that you start with and say, well, I want to break this out by my department, or I want to break this out by which of my 4 locations this is at, or I want to add a couple of additional columns. Yeah, it's helpful for me to see the item name, but I actually am generally thinking about what I have in the sales description for that item helps me know, rather than, the SKU that might just, if I'm not working with the SKU every single day, might not be super helpful for me to see 14 letters and numbers in what feels like a random order. So I really think that reporting functionality natively has a ton of value just simply by digging through those things, but especially has a ton of value when you start to customize those to help fit the exact needs of your business.